let's see if this parallelization will work. So now I'm using Claude Code in two different folders. One is for my JavaScript RPG card game, and the other is in my data analysis folder. So the prompts I gave it was, for the card game, go through all of the .js files and make any improvements on the combat system for those cards. And for my data analysis folder, I told it to, I would like for you to go through a couple of my .ipynb files, such as the a priori fate time series and my PDF reader IPy. And just go ahead and try to fix any problems that you see with it. Let's see if these can run in parallel. Alright, so I'm going to hit enter and let them go off and do what they need to do. I'm just going to say yes and don't ask me again. So I think this is where a lot of jobs are heading, where you have multiple agents and you are basically verifying that the changes that they make are correct. Okay, looks like the one for the data analysis is finished. Looks like it's still going through the card game. It still looks like it's going through a lot of things on the card game. So let's exit out of this. That costed 20 cents. And it took it 1 minute and 26 seconds. Alright, looks like the card game has finished. These are the improvements made to it. So enhanced the enemy system, added health, defense, agility stats, implemented unique abilities per enemy type, advanced hero abilities, created detailed effect systems, damage healing buffs, comprehensive hero combat, defense calculations based on stats, mana management systems, strategic battle systems, RPG mechanics, turn-based combat, improved card display, real-time status effect displays. The combat system now features strategic depth with resources, management, status effects, defensive mechanics, and meaningful abilities choice rather than a simple random damage exchange. Alright. Alright, and so that took 4 minutes and 10 seconds and only costed 44 cents. So total code changes for 476 lines were added, 41 lines were removed.